You're under the chair, Esther. You should be careful. Because if you try to stand up, you'll bump your head.
Bye-bye.
You hurt your head? I told you to be careful. I told you. Do this. Esther, go. Get the hair out of your eyes. What is that? What do you have there? Show me. Esther, show me. Show me. Show me. Where does that go? That is not where it goes. Is that a bus? What are you going to do with that bus? Does it go... You're going to put it with your other bus? They go to... It fits inside that bus, huh? Yeah? You're lying? You love... What do lions say? That's right, they go... You bear? Yeah, bears go and do that too. What are you doing? You love your bear? Are you being silly? What is that? Your giraffe? Good job. Can you pick it? Can you pick that up? Not with a toy in your hand. Oh, will he stay there? Good job. You're doing so good. Yeah. Oh. That's so we can put air in it when it gets flapped. What's up? Are you getting tired? You need to go night-night? Maybe? You're gonna sit on the chair? Can you do it? Look at you. You're such a big girl. Esther. 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 Psst. I want to say something. Do you know how old you are? Esther, can you do this? Esther. What do you see? A what? There's a cow on that pillow. Do you want me to get it for you? It's not really a good place to decide to take a nap, Esther. You're kind of too big. Really? You want your blanket? There you go. What else do you want? You want to do that on your bed? Hilarious, Esther. Do you see your cup? Where's your cup? Look, look, look. It's on your bed. Do you see it? You see your baby's bottle. Where is your cup? You don't get baby bottles anymore. Look. Look, it's right here. Silly. Is the baby in your tummy, Esther? Do you want mommy to help you? Come here. Here. Oh, right there. Here, come here. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. You have to stand up. And it goes. There's a baby in your tummy now. Are you going to get the baby out? Is it hard? There's your baby. You got her. You okay? You missed the bed. Okay, there you go. There you go. Where you can put your baby to bed. Maybe it's your baby's nap time. Oh, am I the babysitter? Do you want me to take care of your baby? Can you climb over me? Is that her mouth? Is she hungry? Does your baby need her bottle? Good job. Good job. You can give your baby a kiss? Good job. That's how your baby knows you love her. Good job.
Bye-bye.